Hi, I'm Darren from Watercolour Mentor and welcome to Urban Sketching Essentials, create your own colouring books. Urban sketching with line and wash is a fun way to create fresh and spontaneous works while enjoying some time outdoors. It combines the benefits of both ink drawing and watercolour painting. Urban sketching is a great way to learn and improve your drawing and painting skills. Through our day-to-day lives and travels, we often form connections with our surroundings, buildings, other objects and people that we interact with. Urban sketching requires few materials and can be done in a variety of places, including cafes, parks, your room, or even a bus or train. It's a convenient and powerful way to practice line and wash and dramatically improves your drawing and painting skills over a short period of time. In this class, you'll learn how to transform day-to-day scenes that you observe into beautiful line and wash sketches that you can hold on to and treasure. This class is aimed towards beginners with 8 line and wash demonstrations which I'll help guide you through step by step. There are scans and drawing templates for each demonstration which will help you transfer over the drawing quickly and easily. You've also got the option to follow along to my real-time drawing and narration videos for 6 of these demonstrations. In this class, I narrate my demonstrations in real time. I explain every technique I use in the context of the painting, such as using watercolour to paint shadows on a building. I'll be going over the basics of line and wash sketching and talk about what materials you'll need, your options, and which ones I use and recommend. If you have a pen, some watercolour paints and paper, then you're ready to go. I'll show you how to sketch with the pen quickly and accurately using a variety of techniques including drawing lines in segments, hatching, and using different size nibs to your advantage. I also demonstrate essential watercolour techniques that you can use over and over again for any painting. So join me in this class. Let's create some beautiful drawings and paintings that you can be proud of.